Hello everyone and welcome. Today is my birthday, another year older, and well, I got myself some candy because I don't get cake anymore. And I thought, well, if I'm going to eat junk food, I better have something that is going to be healthy for a dinner. And I came up with something that just might hit the spot. I'm experimenting with this, so I'm going to see what it turns out like when I'm done. I have ground up some black beans. I'm going to try and do a meatless meatballs. Wish my food processor was a little bit bigger, it'd be easier to get the stuff out. When you use a food processor for the black beans, you might have to stir it up a little bit so that all the beans get ground up. And you'll want to rinse and drain your black beans before you put them in here. And if you put it in your dish here and you find some that has not been smashed, you can just mash them up with your spoon. But I did pretty good. Over here, I've got some thyme. I think about a teaspoon. Half of red onion. I'm using half because these are kind of strong. And then I had some shredded carrots, and I cut them down, and I got probably, I would say, half of a small carrot in there. Then I got some panko crumbs, and I'm gonna put in about a cup. That's emptied. A heaping tablespoon of this mixture here and put it on the pan. In the meantime, you want to have your noodles nice and light. I like it. That was a success. Well, I'll see you in the next video.